Hi guys, how are you all? So yeah, all right. So uh, hope everyone is fine. I'm uploading creating this video after very long. I know. So mm, what I wanted to share with you all is which Pat sir said about fair value gap or SMC concept. Right. Uh, there are so many things involved in SMC concept, right? Change of structure or break of structures, size, liquidity, mitigation, so many things. But yeah, I don't trade using those things. These are very nice and beautiful things, no doubt. But I don't understand such complicated terms. And I try to keep things simple for myself, right? And so do I will try to uh, share it with you. So for this, let me just first take this also. Okay. Hmm. Right. So for this, these are the three requirements: monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, and then 1 hour chart. Right. We will analyze chart on monthly, then we will move to weekly, then we will move to daily, and we will execute basis of hourly chart. Right. Don't expect to get every time gains in intraday. In this, uh, you might need to hold a position. So try in futures with hedges or trading spreads with options, or the safest way is do MTF, right? With defined uh, stop losses, which we gonna discuss now. Right. So I hope this is clear. Time frame we will be using is this. Right. Now let me show you what exactly we will be looking for. We will be looking for the thing, right? As Weber also mentioned. So let me show you exactly what we will be looking. We would be looking for three candles, three candle formations like this. Don't go with the color, okay? Just first try to understand it. What we have to do is we have to find gap between first candle high and third candle low. Simple, right? And in the opposite way, let me put it green. This is a friend, right? Not necessarily all candles will be green, but one can be red. Obviously, the uh, top one shouldn't be red here because we are looking for a friend. So this should be the format. While for the bottom side, we will be looking something like this. Right. So the gap between the low of first candle and the high of third candle. So this point, right? This gap is what our point of interest. This gap in uptrend and this gap in down. So when trend, whenever the prices will come back here, we will try to buy. And when in downtrend, whenever the prices will come back here, we will try to short, right? So it's a very simple technique. It's just that you need to find out the correct places to enter into the trade. I will share so many examples. I'll try to share. Definitely, I'll not make this video for 1 hour or 2 hours. I'll try to be short. It requires more of your effort to analyze the chart and send me, because I cannot spoon feed. I can show you direction, and when you will do effort, I will reply back to each and everything. I do it every time when you guys reach out to me. So I specifically like to call the names Pramod and Jeev, and rarely Pastor. So these are the two, three people in this group, and yes, Tejas also sometimes. These two, three guys in this whole group of 14, 15 are do ask me down. So other I consider that they have become experts, and they don't need that much input from my side, which is good. That was my motive, to make everyone expert. Either you are expert or you have left the hope of trading. So if you have left the hope becoming day trader, at least do swing trades, which I have suggested to few of you. So think about it. That's your choice. But yeah, so in this concept, you need to read so many charts, and you will get one trade, right? Once in a week or so. But for that, you need to stay in the trade to gain maximum return, right? Probably in a week, in 10 days, you'll get that, but you have to be very patient and keep trade it or trail it as much as you can. This concept works on shorter time frames also, but that you should attempt when you become pro in using the higher time frames. So the cycle is like you have to be very smart first of all in bigger time frames, then move to smaller time frames in this. You cannot go and do it, can start in 1 minute. The way I did uh, Friday, right? So you cannot do it straight away on 1 minute or 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You will lose money. You have to think like this: monthly, weekly, daily, and 1 hour. Right? Execution would be on 1 hour or using 5 minutes candle definitely, right? But do not reduce the time frame of finding the success on 5 minute or 10 minute chart. That's about it. So I try to show you some examples there. Right. Just see what they will do. Simply observe. Keep observing. Right. So see, let's start from, and this is on monthly chart. So let's not go a lot back. Just think from here that the stock was in downtrend, right? So in downtrend, if we see, why I'm seeing downtrend, because see, it made a double top, broke it this low, and see, and it broke this low also, right? So new lower low is being formed. So that's why I'm saying a downtrend in this. Though if you see a bigger picture, all these stocks of Indian market are in uptrend. But lately I'm saying this. So see this one red candle in second, third red, right? This is what I got a gap here. Now, what my motive is to reduce to weekly time frame, and these lines will change. We will find a new structure in weekly time frame using this portion only. So our new lines would definitely come under this area only now, and we will change these lines to those touch. Right. Let's move to weekly now. Okay. I have to change it. See, 1, 2, 3. This will go here and this will go here. Okay. I hope you all agree to this. First, second, third, right? And see, this is not we discussed. We saw monthly candle and then we change it to this part, right? Now I will move to daily. Again, my lines will change. See, is it forming? No. Is it forming? No. There is no gap, right, between first and third. No, 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 no. There. No, no, no. Here. See. So I will not remove this. We'll keep it as it is on daily now after this. So this is an important. I can see that rejection here, the selling here. But now on daily time frame, I found very nice structure here. See, very nice structure here. That one, two, three is the gap. Now whenever prices will come back in this zone, I will attempt to sort this trade with some confirmations that I will tell you. Oh, now say if I'm sorting it, what would be my target? I will simply, let's say, I will show you later. Uh, this has formed these three candle structure right on daily. Now I will move to. You can go to 4 hours also. To exhibition would be on 1 hour, but you can see on 4 hour as well. So the more you look to bigger time frames, the clarity you will get. Now see this. Let's keep it as it is, but here I have to move it to upright, and this will be moved little up here. Now see, this is the gap area which I have to target whenever the prices will come back here. Right now, I will move to 1 hour to see is there anything left. Okay. Yes. Can I more reduce it? More. See. Now this and this. Right here it is no gap, no gap, no gap, no. Right. This is the zone of 100 points maximum. See. Mhm. This is the point of 77. This is the point of 77 rupees where I will get my next dot rate positive. Right. Now what I have to do is I will simply wait for prices to come here. Now let's see what else happened in Dr. Lal PathLab. Exactly. So years passed, so many things happened, right? I'm not trading it, right? But I will get my trade positive. Now see from where did I got rejection in Dr. Lal PathLab. See this, right? I created this line on daily or weekly and then 1 hour, 4 hours as well. But I got super good rejection here. Now, when I see a rejection, so these lines on my chart, right? I know, let's say if I'm analyzing Dr. Lal Patel, I should be pretty much active that okay, prices are about to reach my zone of sorting it and I am ready to sort this stock. What should be my target? Now we see to left of it. Is there any gap left in this chart? Yeah. Again, I will go to monthly time frame here now. See, now see this. Is there any gap left on monthly chart till where prices has to come? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now again 1, 2, 3. Yes. right? So prices reached here first and then came back here. So this should be my point of target, but I have to change this to weekly also, right? So first I will change this bottom one, this to this. And on the upside, I will have to change it to this to this portion, right? But there's some more on the upside. Let's see. Do I have not this? Do I have this portion? See, right? So I have got that. Okay, so prices are going to take rejection from here, and they have to come back at least till here. And if it breaks, it has to come here as well, right? So this will be my target. Now I'll try to move it on daily as well. Let's see if I can change it to daily. Okay, this and this, right? You will find so many in between, but you have to stick to when the major ones from where the rally started. Try to keep it very simple. So there will be various support for this stock in between. On, I mean, you will find so many. The more you shorten the time frame, the more you will get see this, right? And see this to this can change, right? This now see what is happening in it. It does here, and see here you cannot hold too long. See this. This can also be our target. So if we are shorting from up, it has to come at least till here to take a support. One, two, three, right? Now on daily time frame, it took rejection. When I became active, let's say in this stock on this date, 9th of October, right? That prices are reaching my zone and I should be very active. I will move to 1 hour time frame. On this particular day, in the opening only, prices touch this and they try to make this candle. In this is the candle with a buy side, right? And it broke the lower of this candle. So what I can do is the moment low is broken on 1 hour candle, I can initiate my trade. Like that you can buy put options with hedges if you want to hold it. Do not again I repeat, do not expect intraday gains in it. Right? You have to hold the trade. For shorting, you have to create spreads. So you have to do it with futures buying OTM call options, right? But for buying side, we can definitely go with MTF or buying in cash, whatever suits you. But you will have your defined targets in front of you. Now see what prices are doing. They have reached from this point to this in a day only, and let's move to a small time frame also, right? If you are to a specific intraday guy, you will get opportunity for intraday also, which you can do, right? But you should not expect a guarantee of getting good gains in intraday. There can be some uh, chances, some situations where you will get a good, but not always, right? Now see, in intraday we got a clear rejection. We will try to find our opportunity. Yeah. So I mean, you know all the entries method, be it double dhamaka, or be it trap bull trap. So if I go to daily time frame, right, see, or 1 hour, you can find a let's say you see this bullish trap here. See this, you can easily initiate your trade, as I said this time, right? So if you are trading on 1 hour, don't become impatient. Have trust in the system, keep well in the system, and keep holding your position of futures or spread or whatever. suppose if you sorted it with this as a stop loss of this, your target definitely. I mean, gaining 200 points is too much, right? If you can hold your position in futures or uh, right, right. So if in 5 minutes also you became active in this stock when it reached here and next day you wanted to see what is happening in the now see smaller time frame, these are my point of reference, right? Let's see. So this is this. I am not interested to buy at all, right? I want to stop. So this is what the marker forms, small green candle form. I have a small stop loss. I will keep it this, definitely a swing. And I mean, fortunately in intraday only, it kept on moving because that was a selling zone, right? This was a super selling zone which we already marked. It could have taken it from here, but we will initiate a trade whenever we see the entry candles, right? Entry method. So you have to initiate it. But I mean, at this point of time, we have to be alert enough. So that's why I'm saying you will get limited trades, but do not miss the execution in them. Seen intraday only, but let's not always expect movement in intraday, right? Let's take any other good example. Uh, let's move to the route and what it is doing. Let's see. Okay, so this isn't trend and what it has done. Let's see. No gap here, but in uptrend, being in uptrend, it might have left some gap. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. See that monthly candle left some gap, so it has to come back here or uh, grabbing the prices or fill orders. So big money took it so fast on monthly level that at this zone, basically, they will come back to buy more, right? Now fill their orders. So I will move to weekly now in this. Let's say what happened in weekly. So in the nearest thing, what I see in weekly is this candle and this, right, on weekly. I might see some more. This. Now see this. So prices are leaving the gap there, right? So whenever I will see, so this is all time high. Whenever see, I will see some pattern on top, right, of let's say um, plotting, let's say bull trap or whatever. You can sort it for these zones, right? So whenever prices will fall, they will reach out to this zone and this zone for you. Right? So this is the basically motive. Let's say here also, right? But it came back here till here as well. So now what gap has left? Gap is left till here only now. All these orders are filled. Now they have bought it till here. My zone of buying would be here. Now when it will come back here, I will attempt a buying, right? And now let's see. Have they filled any? Have they left any thing while starting from the top? No. See here. I will attempt for thought. Not anything I can see it here, right? That's the we move to daily. First improve these lines here. On daily, I will move it to this. Now see prices when moved from there, they came back here, they moved, right? They fallen, that's fine later, but we have to act once, right? When the first time they are reaching, you have to take an action. Not every time the first action would be the high quality in this case, right? Now this is what we marked. Let me improve it to this also this. This is what we improve. Now on daily, if I see in gap left by them, they left on daily chart this gap. So now see, this is a gap left by them. If they are falling, they have to come till this zone, right? From here. So whenever the price starts falling, it has to come to this point also. See the success. They will fill this gap. Then their next target would be this is not. So we have already marked our next target would be here. Directly they will come to next price, next point which we have marked. Now how we could have traded this? See, anything here? No, no, no. It moved to 4 hours. Again, we can improve it. See this, right? Anything here? No. Anything here? No, no, no. I will move to 4 hours to see what the picture is telling us. Now the picture is saying there is no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap. So there is a big movement here, right? This is the time. They have to come back and till here. And if they break the zone, definitely we know our target. See this, how you could have tempted this. It. We know our some of our methods. Let's see. Let's try to figure out mm, any bearish thing forming bull trap formed there. See, right? Here is a clear bullish trap. This candle it tried to go up and it closed below it. This is a bullish trap, right? Now in 1 hour, I got something as an entry. I will keep this as my stop loss. And am I getting 1:1 here? N- Almost, not exactly, but yes, they will come to this zone. I am getting 1:1, one at least till here, right? So I can attempt this trade. The next very day, you did not book, let's say, broke it here and went back to this zone. So this is how you can react to these prices. So what I am doing it here is this stock was trading on all-time high. So it becomes little tricky to sort it. But if you have good practice, you can do it with on 1 hour finding such candles of bear trap, bull trap, and you can attempt it. But if let's say stock goes in downtrend and then approaching its previous made which we saw in Lal Paisa, those are very easy settings, right? But the thing in this case, what would be the benefit? I mean, the best thing is to attempt a buying from here. So let's say anytime soon, Sriram Finance comes to this level, we will be interested in buying. It came to this point which we marked, we would be interested in buying. Now see what pattern is this form. Is it a bull trap? Bearish trap? Yes, it is. See this. A bearish trap candle on 1 hour. 1 hour would be the best. And suppose at the end of the day you saw it happening, this bliss trap, right? A good candle. And I always say a 3 minute see this. What a beautiful 3 minute closure above this. You would have bought it at the end of the day. For example, if this was on your radar, that okay, so it has came to my buying zone. See what money it would have given us in the next paper 1 hour candle only, right? And it again took suggestions from here, came back again. So I will not attempt second time because it has become weak. The first touch will always be very high. The next touch would not be that much naughty. Understand it why I'm saying so. In the first touch, it went from here till here. In the second touch, it went only till here. It would have been much effective if it broken this. It would have broken this. Made a higher. It did not. It could not make any higher, right? It felt from here only. So that's why I'm saying second touch would not be that effective, which we follow in Dhamaka or the Dhamaka also, right? The first touches are always reaching point, right? So that's how you can utilize these concepts. Uh, let's try some other also. Let's say, I mean, these are few on my radar that I have kept with me. See that. Let me remove here. Let's try to analyze what is happening in MCA on it is just right leaving gap again and again, right? This is the last gap in monthly. There is nothing, no more gap in monthly here. Now I will move to weekly to make these lines better way. This is this, and I will move it to this. However, this also it has formed on weekly. It has formed this as well. There are multiple buying opportunities in MCA. So be ready whenever it comes down. You have to grab it. Right now, there is no this. See again, weekly it is leaving these gaps. Means strong buying is ending at this zone of first time when it will come here, it will jump. In time, you have to wait till the next zone, right? Now, see it here, this and this. It came back and it jumped again, right? Now this time it will come here. It will not stop here. It has to come down, right? Now let's see. Again, same thing. It is on all-time high. Has to. We cannot sort it blindly, right? But with some information, you can now see this on weekly. Let me change the line. On weekly candle, it has left this gap, so it has to come to 6305. And we discussed there also, right? It up and it comes here. So we will not rely here to buy, rather we will short now for this area to grab 100 150 odd point. Let's move to daily to first improvise our line. So there are too much lines. We will not look for every chance here. Definitely, if huge selling comes, so market will buy all these gaps. Let's remove. So this would be the next point. This is how you can improve your line. These are the points. See this. These are the points on daily where prices might come to fill the order. See this beautifully. And see this. On daily, you have reduced your level. Came here, you saw uh, some formation here definitely. Right. Weekly, on daily, so on 1 hour, let's see any formation here. Yes, see this. On 1 hour, see this. Clear bull trap, bear trap, sorry. See this. Gray candle, bear trap, this went up and then it closed up. So you have bought here, you could have gained definitely easily. So it was the first touch to this point, and you simply have to wait for 1 hour, right? See this, and you got an end. Now I was on daily time frame here. You see what it to do. See, it formed this gap here, and it has to go up to fill it, and then it will fall. So these 2 points will be your now point of strength, right? On daily you form here, anything, see this, and the market is in this area of where supply is being here and Buyers are standing here on daily time frame. So now if it breaks this zone 6022, it has to come here. So it is a very good opportunity for us to write this, or when it comes here, we will see a jump again for some time. Right? Let's move to 4 hour, let's say, to improve our zone. No, serious. And right, 1, 2, 3. And even made error. Serious. Right? So these lines should be on your chart, and on 1 hour you will see the picture. Not on 5, 10 minutes. 1 hour, let's say it formed something on Thursday. Yeah. You should be active enough to start it. Right? This is how you need to react. Now see this and so this is our buying point at this area. Right? Now I need to 1 hour to see what is happening and how I can improve my zone. Anything here? See this? Hmm? Anything here? Yes. So I have some zone here. See, if prices as we discussed, they have to come till here. In fact, I have this as well. Right? Nothing upside. Where we could have got an entry in there. Anything? Nothing here. See this. Even always we have this gap. But a big gap. You see from here 1, 2, 3. It has to fill this gap, guys. Understand it. How beautifully it has done this, right? Nothing. If I am, if I want to start it, right? What I would have tried to see any pattern which validates my theory. Let's say this anything, something else. No. Mhm. What is this? 6950. And what is close of this? This probably we can consider because of Vixi, the selling. So this I would consider as a bullish trap. You know, one candle, it tried to go up, it again tried to go up, and then fell here nicely. It came till rejection here. I would have sorted here on 1 hour time frame with this stop loss. Even if I'll go on 5 minutes, I will definitely get anything here. I will mark it here. I will go on 5 minutes. So this is my entry, this is my stop loss, and I have my targets with me bottom of this. So this 80 rupees and 240 rupees in here. Now let's move to this. What I said. Let's see the reaction here. 1 hour, we knew that 1 hour it formed a bearish trap. Now let's see what is happening in this day during this day. Right, let me open the volume. I will not attempt anything above, right? I have to do it. When it got broke, then it is taking rejection from my point. See what I have to look for any pattern, right? Any dhamaka, any setup. So see, I can see double dhamaka, green, green, red, red. I need a small green, small green, small green, small green, another small green. I got a small here. I have stop of 15 rupees. Prices came here and I got this. This is intraday, but I'm not interested in intraday. I want on 1 hour. So 1 hour trade, you will keep it for 1 day, 2 day. If you would have started just while looking this thing, right? See, this trap, 1 hour candle bearish trap, full trap. So your trade would have been this. This is a will set for. Okay. I mean, if you are trading for 1 hour, you have to sit for 4, 5 for one day, 4, 5 hours of one day in the trade, right? 1, 2 days. This is how you could have gained 250 rupees in this trade, right? So this is how these concepts work. I had a few stocks in my radar, which I want you all to take, I mean, keep it in your list, right? So this is an uptrend, clearly, see, right? So what we will do, either we would start from top or we will try to look to buy it. Right? Let's see what we can. Mm, I can see this gap left mine, right? Very much clear. Any gap here? A very minor, see, very minor gap. There is this, but this is the major point where buying would depend now. In the stock, see this price is up and prices have reached there. Now I will move to weekly to form my line in a better way. This. Okay, see this. This is a point and this was point, but it came to layer. So this is my zone now, right? Sorry, I'll not discuss about sorting here. How we could have sorted, you have to see yourself. But I want to show you the opportunity in peer industries for a jump now, right? Which we have to see for a buying opportunity. Now see it fell down. Gap, gap, it has built on the chart. See this 1, 2, 3. It has a gap, so it has to fill this gap now. Now, right? It is coming to our buying zone. This is our buying point, this line, and then we will buy it here. We have target this point, 300 points there, right? We are on daily, right? So we are on weekly, right? So this is now I cannot see any other here. Let's move to daily now. First, I will try to find a better thing here. Mm, This zone has become this for by 4031 4185, right? And this zone has become this to this, right? So it whenever it will come here, we will find an sorting opportunity. But whenever it is here, we will think of buying this, right? Now let's try to find the opportunity. So now what you will observe that whenever prices are reaching these zones, right, or points, there would be volume activity, heavy volume activity. See, the volumes are dried, but when they reach a point, look at the volume. The volumes are gaining now. So why would volumes will gain here on the buying point? They are not shorting. It is looking like red, but they are not shorting. They are probably buying it. This candle is also very important. See a whole buying so that three things happened here. So this in 1 hour on daily. See this in right. I'll just mark this this candle low. Now I will move to our chart to improve my zone if any possibilities. So this and this, right? Let's remove it in fact. We don't need this. And here we will move it to this. So this is a zone till where we can expect our jump in PI industry. So it is a very crucial point. This is first touch here. Though it when it does there it jumps, it could not make any hair dye, but I can clearly sense some wrapping happening here. Look at this candle. Right. So now I will move to 1 hour. Let's try to make this zone more valid. This to this. Right. Now I will move this zone to this zone. Right. Now let's see what is happening here. So this is the first jump which we missed. It happened probably, but we are now interested here. I will not sort it. Right. I mean, if we want to sort it, then we have to see what are these zones that we can target. Let's see. Okay, so we have in weekly we have this zone as well. If we want to sort it on daily, if I'll move to points, let's see what is the best possible thing. No, 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 no. This, no, no, no. This is also filled on daily. I don't see anything left on daily in this as well. Hmm. So this is only weekly thing left here. A very small stone left here. So if it breaks, it has to come till here. But I am being optimist here because I can sense some wrapping happening here. Let's see if we can see any. We can see any, let's say, bear swap or any such pattern here. What I will see is this. No, not see this. And what is the close is 3995. 3995 point 3995 is the low of candle. Let me walk. This is the low of 3995. And what is the close of this? 3995.20. So we have not yet closed below it, right? This is something what I see beer trapping happening. Now see the volume increasing here. This is very important thing you have to observe. See, the moment it has came to our zone, look at the volume gaining, right? See this, the gain in the volume. So something is happening here definitely. I will not initiate my trade unless it gives me a closure above the high of this candle 40 yeah, 4047 and half hour candle, right? And my target would be to buy it in a cash, right? In using MTF or whatever you think. Do not create spreads of December because December is definitely going to over. But yes, I mean momentum you can enjoy definitely. Don't put big money in futures or options in this, but do buy an MTF. Let's say 5.3, 10.20. If we form anything above it, we have to buy it in this way. And the stop loss of this and our target would be pretty big, right? So this is how you can utilize this opportunity in PI industry. So please add it in your watch list and use all these things which are marked in PI industry. Uh, let's use this. Let's say, right, let's go to monthly and let's see what is happening. So, too many buying zones it must have created definitely isn't trend. Anything selling on monthly? No, 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 no. Let's just a minute, guys. I need to put a charger on it. Hold on. What we can see here is nothing on monthly, no studying on monthly. Let's see on weekly. So I will improve my zone here. See this? It left the gap here as well. So which it filled the very next day, right? And then it left this gap not very next day, very next week, and it filled this as well. See how beautifully it's filling these gaps. So these are the opportunities for you to buy. You have to keep a track of these. See this, how beautifully the buying is happening. Look at the first zone. When it touched first time, it made a higher high. Means this is a very solid zone. It pushed price to rise above this point, which was the last high. So this zone is very quality. When it came back, you could have bought it here, right? Now let's remove this. Let's see any selling happening here. Selling happened here, right? We have a gap left there. See anything in between? This, no, right? In between. And do we have any buying opportunity left here? Yes, we do have any buying. So prices will come back. We will think of buying from here as well. Move to daily. Let's see what is happening on daily in this. So this and this, this is the zone now. And this, so this and here also it formed, but it came till here. So this is 0.5082 where from where selling will come for sure. Anything formed in these candles? No. Let me see. No. Anything here? No. 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 Right. So anything here? Yes. Here. Right. And it's uh, yes, this gap. See this 4736.9, 4776. Right. So it is in downtrend. Right. We have to buy from here and we have to start from these points if we see any opportunity. Now let's see prices reaches here. We will try to start. See what happened on Friday only. Did you see this? Let me move it to 4 hours. So this and this 4743.85. This became on 4 hours my good selling zone. Right? Nothing else. I can change it to 1 hour also. Let's see any good thing here. So this to this as well. And any more point of selling left? Right. I will not take any candle, right, in picture. I have to see from where the good selling is appearing basically, right? Such big candles in place. You have to see the strongness of price falling very sharply, right? So this is something which I can see one. And in 4 hours we had mm, we have marked already this point, this point. Let's remove it. And we had this point to this point as well, right? So these are the points where I will try them to start my trade, right? Let's keep it to 1 hour only, right? Now let's see what happened on Friday. Now see what is happening on Friday. On Friday, if I see, I can call it as bearish candle, bullish trap also, right? Not exactly, but let's consider this only. Let's go to 15 minutes of prices. I can see a rejection here, right? From my point in 15 minutes, any other formation can I see? Really, I might need to move to intraday. So I can see a selling from my point exactly from there. Anything else I can see? Let's open the volumes as well and see the volume. Look at the beautiful volume from our point. See the activity, right? So it is actually a selling happened from here from a point. Let's see. Yeah, this is double dhamaka. So I will not look for buying definitely here. I have to look for selling opportunity there, right? What is this? This small, small green. I have to see. Not much in intraday definitely here, but if I see any formation, let's say any trap forming, this is a kind of mother candle, right? Which we can see in 1 hour time frame again, right? So if we see any continuation of this box, we have to target these points in a second. See this. And if you extend the range, see it is kinda rectangle forming. If it goes up, uh, not I mean until unless comes here, we will try to sort it only, right? Sort at these points on 1 hour finding good zone. Buying we will only do at these points, not in between. So that's about this. Any other things you want to see? Let's say there's so many examples. You name it, we will have it. This kind of situation. Nothing happened here, right? Buying happened here in it. Buying happened here as well in it, which they build and made a higher rise. So Hero Motocop, clear cut example. If it will come here, we have to buy. Simple. Let's move it to this point. Clear cut example of buying. Just wait for Hero Motocop to come here and simply buy. That's it. Selling, 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 selling. Right? Buying, no buying, no buying. So yeah, these are our points of action for Hero Motocop. Any formation you will see here at this point, any information you will see at these points, you have to read. So, yeah, that's about this thing. See, it has left the gaps there as well. When it moves from here so fast, it moves. It will come here and grab, fill all the pending orders and move. It would have moved from here as well. The fast price movement. Let's see if current prices are here. Whether they stopped here or not. Now see, they are circling this point only, right? Now let's simply wait. Do not react at this point because from here they did not make any higher rise, right? It did not close above this rise, so this is not very strong. We have to wait for this area. Let them come and panic and we will execute on 1 hour to buy it here. Leave for this zone. So we will have this point to cover in Hero Motocross. So that's how you can utilize it. I repeat, requires lot of practice. Do 1, 2, 3, 5 stocks in this way only. Do not unnecessarily try to find opportunities. Only if they have uh, coming opportunities, you have to react. Necessary if there is no opportunity, just leave that stock, right? Or prices, let's say prices are somewhere here and your zone is there. Just keep it in watch list, make an alert. react when prices will come here, right? Unnecessary don't attempt here using this method. We have other methods of trading, but with this method, do not unnecessary attempt. Right. One more. Let me take for you. Let's say, tired is like what is happening in itself. Mm, buying, buying happening here as well. Right. Buying happened here as well. Right. So this is a very good zone where it will come and we will attempt to buy it. Uh, Selling, it has left a monthly gap here. Right. It has left a gap here as well on monthly. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, sorry, this to this I will move. This to this I will move. Right. Okay. This to this as well. We can mark. It is a zone when prices will come here. It has to jump for sure. What is the picture of selling? So when there is no gap here, no gap here, here it is gap needed, right? So these are the selling points in Zydus Life. Anything here, mm, this can be only here, right? This can be a selling point in Zydus Life on weekly. Let's move it to daily. Will be more interested in selling it when it comes up or buying it when it comes down. So for now, it has taken a support from this electric candle. See, now we take it to a better place. This zone, it will come here and we have to sort it. This is another zone for selling, or rather, this is built. This is another zone, right? These are daily candles. See, another gap on daily candle here. Orders are left unfilled. Anything here, so I will make it like this. So this is the zone. This and so basically this was at 1, 2, 3, but it came till here. So this is still a zone from where we can short side as well. Right. Buying ka to I will look here only at these points which we marked on. We can improve them by doing this, right? And it's a very strong zone. You can think of buying here any formation of bullish spirit trap or etc. But in Zydus Life, you have to sort it somewhere here when it reaches there, right? And you see, this is a low of electron candle, right? You can see what it has formed if we could have entered in it. In the formation, this is a bearish trap, right? This is closed above it, right? So you could have watched an MTF with this. See what was the stop loss? 32 rupees stop loss, and 1 is to 1, so it has given easily how much 3.5% gains it has given to you in MTF. So these are the things you have to think and look for. So yeah, this is I wanted to practice it a lot. It will help. So many things happening on Nifty as well. Try to do it. I was analyzing Nifty's chart. I did something. Yeah. I'll share it later. But yeah, think about it. Use it. If you find it helpful, reach out to me with your doubt, clarifications, and charts. I'll revert to you. All right. Thank you. So take care. Bye. Bye.